materials needed: 2 coat hangers opened up, wire cutter, one vice, this plier with a cutting edge right here. It worked fine for a grip, and one slip joint plier. 2 pieces of a 2-inch long fine wire. This mount consists of 2 parts. Part 1 is attached to the car. This is the part 1 that I made out before. This was attached. Part 1 is used to suspend the part 2. Then one coat hanger cut into a 30-inch long. The other cut into 2 pieces of. This is one of the earlier pieces I made before, and it has a square margins, and I changed this so it will come out more rounded and more appropriate fitting for this rounded margin of the rounded border of the GPS device. First, take the back piece, the windshield attachment back piece. Remove it. I cut a piece of a hardwood 3/4 of inch thick piece, same size as my GPS device, except that I cut less half an inch on the width. From one end, I made a bend at the lower edge of the piece of wire, brought it around the lower edge, and then all the way up to about 3/4 inch from the upper edge. To the left, right angle to the first one, and then go around them all the way around to the right side, and then turning around and then I'll grasp this with the vice grip again. I'm bending it down vertically and then going around the inferior edge. I had to swing this vertical limb from the back to the front around the other side, and now both the vertical limbs are in front of the horizontal limb. In order to get the connection limb between these two, this piece that holding the lower edge, I made out a special device where I put on a pine piece of wood, put 2 nails equidistance between the front face of the GPS device. Then I grasped one end of the 8-inch long wire piece, then I put it against the one nail, and then use the long piece to turn it around. Twice, and then release this vice grip from here and use this vice grip, or if it's a long piece I can easily turn around on my own with the hand and the fingers, and then remove this piece by removing the nails. The wire is then put it over the long end of the vertical limb and slide it all the way down to the bottom. I had to work a few minutes to tighten up these ends of the horizontal piece here, and then I cut the length to the appropriate length, and then I just made a half an inch bend, hairpin bend at the upper end. It has rounded margins on the lower end, as well as silver slides presentation to follow after this.